วัสดีค่ะ Welcome to ThaiChef channel. Today I will be show you how to make a very famous Thai appetizer of chicken pandan. This dish is a great appetizer and the taste of the marinade chicken when cooked in pandan create a delicious flavor accompanied by dipping sauce. This dish will be a favorite among friends and family. Now we let's get cooking. Chicken thigh 150 grams. Remove skin and cut into chunky pieces. Marinate chicken with 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, sugar 1 teaspoon, evaporated milk 1 tablespoon, 4 pieces coriander root. Chop coriander root to small pieces for easy to pound. 2 cloves of garlic. Cut into small pieces for easy to pound. Black peppercorn 1/4 teaspoon and pound. Add in chicken and half teaspoon sesame oil. Mix it well. And let rest at least 30 minutes. Turn shiny side of leaf on the bottom. When folding, make sure the bottom part of the leaf with its hard is underneath and the leaf part with its softer is on top. Fold as shown to make pocket for chicken and turn then adjust to make look nice. And add chicken and turn. Fold close as shown. Before finish, tighten to make more tight and cut the long leaf. Toast sesame seed 1 tablespoon. Water 1/4 cup. Salt half teaspoon. Palm sugar 1 tablespoon. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Black soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Ginger slice 3 pieces. Tamarind juice 1 tablespoon. And sugar 2 tablespoons. Boil and reduce the salt. Then add white sesame seeds. Fry chicken pandan with medium heat at beginning. When chicken starting cook, turn to medium-high heat and fry until pandan leaf crispy. If you love Thai food and always want to be able to make authentic Thai meal from the comfort of your own kitchens, then welcome to ThaiChef Food Channels. My channel will take you on culinary journeys where I will personally teach you all you need to know to be able to prepare and enjoy authentic Thai cuisine for your family and friends. I hope you have all enjoyed this video, and as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment so that I can make even better recipe and video for you in future. I'm looking forward to see you in our next episode. ขอบคุณค่ะ